my channel. This is Lindsey, and this is the next video in the series. My hair is completely dry, and I'm gonna now show you guys how I take it down, stretch it, and style it to wear out. Keep watching if you would like to see it. When my hair is completely dry from the braids, I like to begin by stretching my hair with the blow dryer. This gives me more length to my braids and is a very quick way for me to do it. I then like to coat my hands in the same oil that I used in my last video, which is the African Pride Miracle Moisture Oil, and I like to coat all of my braids in the oil. This just gives me more shine and makes it easier for me to take out my braids. A tip that I would give anyone who's trying to do this hairstyle is that you should never take your braids out with dry fingers. You should always have some kind of oil or grease on your hands when you're taking the braids out. If you remember from the last video, at the end of our braid, we did a finger coil, and when you're taking your braid out, you want to make sure that you look at the braid and you coil the curl in the opposite direction. If you just start ripping the braid out without uncoiling curl that we made, it's gonna cause unnecessary frizz and might even break off your hair. We now want to begin to gently remove the braid. You just basically either unbraid from the opposite direction in which you braided or remove the braid the normal way. I'm gonna show you how I do it. After taking out the braid, your hair should be looking defined and have like a coily look to it. Remember that we're gently taking down the braid and trying to make sure that the curl comes out as perfect as we wanted it to. I'm going to speed up my braiding takedown process and just let you guys watch how I do it. This is the final look. I stretched my hair a little bit and I fluffed it out to my liking. There's just some frizz that's like in my hair, but I kind of like that because it adds the volume. So if you would like less frizz, you can just make sure that your hair is really slick when you braid it, but I kind of like the frizzy look. I normally like to wear my hair in a side part, so I just parted my hair to my edges and I'm done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and come back for more. If you have any other video suggestions that you would like to see me do, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.